Hello friends, this is Lalit Chande from Rajkot. Welcome all of you in the special series Experience is the Best Teacher. My dear friends, a lot of business people, sports persons, students, even these small entrepreneurs, they have one question: how to achieve the goal, how to improve the productivity, how to go to the next level in the business or in the profitability. My dear friends, recently I have gone through one of the very important article, and I am very impressed by the author who has described 7 important aspects to achieve the goal. My dear friend, I hope this is going to be very useful in your day to day, or you want to achieve the task. Let us see 7 points. The first point is described that you should have a goal, but the goal in writing. My dear friends, lot of people, they have the goal, but it is in the form of dreams. Here it is spoken that what you visualize, what you feel, what you describe, and what is visible, you can achieve faster. So it's very important for the achiever to write the goal in a diary, describe in a minute way. Once you describe it, you can visualize it, my dear friends, and you can achieve it also. Second very important point, he has emphasis on that you should be aware about the reason why you want to achieve this goal. You see, if you are not clear about the reason, the purpose, then you may be fumble. So before starting your operations to achieve the goal, it's very important you should be aware about your reasons to achieve. My dear friends, here once you achieve the goal, how you would look, how you would feel at the end. You see, it has a scientific reason, and if you are very much clear about the reasons of your goal achievement, my dear friends, momentum would come. Another very important things we have observed, that lot of people, they have big dreams, but they are not in a position to achieve it. The reasons, they always look at the goal. Here the author or the expert is guiding us that you have to convert the task, big task, into the small task. And my dear friends, it is always very important, and you must have heard, हजारों मील लंबी यात्रा एक कदम से शुरू होती है दोस्तों. 1,000 miles journey starts from one step. So every night you have to write down your goal into the task, that tomorrow at least for 15 minutes, for 10 minutes, I'll do this task ritually. I'll not waste the time. 10 minutes, 15 minutes, maybe half an hour. So my dear friends, it is very important that you have to convert your big task, big pictures, into the small task, and at least you have to start. You see, by looking to the goal you cannot achieve, but at least if you take one step and you achieve it, you will definitely get the motivation. So you have to convert your task into the small part, and you have to start it. Another, my dear friends, you see, once we have started, and many a time there needs a momentum. So the author is emphasis on writing a success journals. Once you have decided that I'll do this task for 15 minutes, at the end of the day you have to maintain the journals, you have to maintain the diary, and where you have to write it down, the task which you have gained, you have achieved. My dear friends, once whatever the small achievements is there, and if we write it down, it gives us the momentum and it gives us the energy for the next steps, and we can move further. So it's very important to have a success general for the self motivation. The sixth point is emphasis on perfect moment is right now. My dear friends, you all may be aware, even the book is written, The Power of Now. You see, a lot of people, they wait for the perfect time, perfect coach, perfect guidance, perfect moment, or the dynamism. Here my humble request for the achiever, that at least you start now. Don't wait. Take one simple steps, but take action. And my dear friends, this is the right time. Don't wait for the perfect time. And that's why the right time is the gift of a God. Present is the gift of a God. And the last point, yes, emphasis, the sixth and seventh point, that you have to answer certain questions. That where are you? What do you want to achieve? What exactly you want to achieve in your life? And third, he emphasizes, once you achieve it, how you feel it. My dear friends, where are you? Exit your present conditions and answer these questions. And what do you, and once, suppose that I am here in Rajkot at 7 o'clock, I want to achieve this, and after achieving this, say for example, that as a writer, as an author, I decide that I'll write 3 pages in a day, and if I come on conclusion that 3 pages I'll write, I would be happy. If I've decided to reduce my body for 5 pounds, and if I take action, this will energize me. And the last very important point, it's very, very important, that challenge yourself. My dear friends, many a time, to achieve the task, big task, we feel boredom, or sometimes the task is monotonous. So it's very important to convert the monotonous task into the fun. You have to convert your task in a game. So it is said that if you challenge your task, then my dear friends, your capacity would increase 4 times. So you decided the goal, and if you decided that I'll write 3 pages, then okay, then you challenge that, okay, 3 pages, tomorrow I'll write 4 pages. I'll exercise for 10 minutes, then tomorrow I'll exercise for 15 minutes. So day by day, gradually you can improve your capacity. Capacity building is very important, and that is possible only by giving challenge to yourself. Don't compete with others, but challenge with yourself. And if you are able to do this, you will definitely gain. My dear friends, this is Lalit Chande signing out from Rajkot. Experience is the best teacher. See you till the next program. Thank you very much. Have a nice time.